Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So, come back to our class. We are in chapter 3. Do you remember that? What is the name of the chapter? Yes, Northern Mountains. And we learned first half of this chapter. What we learned? Yes, the classification of Himalayan ranges, importance of Himalaya, etc. So today we can see life in the northern mountains. We already know that a number of states are located in northern mountains. I told that a number of states are located in the northern mountains from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, see, the Himalayas is extended from Jammu and Kashmir here to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and we can see which are these states, and also we can see the life pattern, the life of the people in these states. Today we can discuss Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Okay, two states. So we can see the states located in the northern mountains are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh. So in these states of India, we can see this northern mountain. Okay, and I will show the big picture of this states. See, this is the map of India, and see Northern Mountains, Northern Mountain is extended from here to this part. Okay. See where is Jammu and Kashmir? Here, Jammu and Kashmir is here. Then down of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand is here. Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, West Bengal. Clear? These are the states of India which cover these northern mountains. Okay, today we can learn these first two states, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. We can see the life of the people, what dress pattern. Okay, so first is Jammu and Kashmir. This state is always mountainous. We all know that the northern mountain is covered in this state, and in this state there is two capital. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu the winter capital of the state. Do you know why this state have two capital? The reason is that in winter it is very cold. This state is very cold in winter. So in winter Srinagar become geographically challenging due to blockage of national highways, landslides occur, etc. Okay, so this every year the capital is shifted to Jammu for what? To ensure the trade and business, because the Srinagar is blocking because of this landslide. So they opened Jammu as a capital to ensure this trade and business. Okay, that is why Jammu and Kashmir have two capital. What is that capital? Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu the winter capital of the state. Okay, and the next attraction is that the beautiful Kashmir Valley. That is the favorite of tourists. The beautiful Kashmir Valley is a favorite of tourists. Then it is surrounded by snow-covered mountains and Dal and Woolard lakes. That is the special attraction of tourists. And we can see houses on boats. That is called houseboats in this state. And mainly these houseboats are used as hotels. Okay, moving hotels. And small boats are also there, that is called shikaras, and that is used for shops, used as a shop, floating shops. I will show the picture. See, this is shikaras, and they are used this as a shop, running shops like that. Okay, and this is houseboats. Mainly they are used this as a hotel. Clear? Then we can see the dress pattern of Kashmir. Then the traditional Kashmir dress is called Fairan. Do you know that? What is Fairan? The traditional loose kurta worn by men and women in Kashmir is known as Fairan. I will show the picture of Fairan. See, woman in Fairan. This is the dress that is called Fairan, loose kurta. Okay. Then, to keep warm in winters, people in Kashmir keep an earthen pot with a burning coal known as kangri beneath their fire. What is that kangri? Actually, it is an earthen pot with burning coal. They use this as beneath their fire to keep warm in winters. Okay, see, this is kangri. This is burning coal, and used why they are using this earthen pot? To keep warm in winters. Okay. Okay. Then next is handicraft. Another attraction is handicraft. They make beautiful handicrafts from wood, brass, silver, and peppermint. Okay. And the main crop of the state is saffron. Then which are the language they are spoken? See, the languages are Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, and Ladakhi. Okay, Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, and Ladakhi are the languages spoken here. Then Eid and Shivratri are the main festivals. Okay, so these are the features of this state life pattern in Jammu and Kashmir. Then moving to Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Himachal Pradesh with its snow-clad mountains is very beautiful state. Its capital is Shimla. Capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Okay, then thousands of tourists visit the hill station of Shimla, Dalhousie, Kulu and Manali every year. That is one of the tourist place. Okay, thousands of people visit these places every year. And another attraction is toy train that takes people from Calcutta to Shimla is a special attraction. Okay, see this is the picture of that toy train which takes people from Calcutta to Shimla. It is one of the special attraction of tourists. Okay, then we can see climate pattern. The climate is good for the growth of fruits like apples, cherries, plums, apricots, peaches. Okay, then we can see the traditional cloth. The traditional cloth of Himachal Pradesh is women. Women wear tight pyjamas and loose kurtas with scarves around the heads. And men wear tight pyjamas and loose shirt with colorful caps. See, I will show the picture of that dress. See, this is the picture. And women wear tight pyjamas and loose kurtas with scarves around their heads. See, and the men wear tight pyjamas and loose shirt with colorful caps. This is the dressing pattern of the people in Himachal Pradesh. And then we can see which are the languages they used. Hindi is the official language of the state, but most people speak in Pahari. Actually, Hindi is the official language of the state, but most people speak in Pahari. And the main festivals are Dussehra and Diwali. Dussehra celebrations of Kulu are famous here. These are the two main festivals of Himachal Pradesh. Clear? These are the features of these two states, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. So today we discuss the life in the northern mountains, that is Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. These two states we discuss. So please read this portion. Next class we can learn the next another state's features. Okay? Thank you.